Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Grantito, and welcome to the... What the hell was that? Okay, so before I was interrupted by that beast from the forest, I was saying, my name is Grantito, and today I'm doing a two-part video where I do two different Jurassic Park projects. The first of these projects is going to be a poster made of the Jurassic Park postcard pack from Universal Studios. So what I'm going to do is, well, I'm going to pitch that, and I'm going to take this big, huge poster board thingy, and I'm going to put these Velcro strips onto it, and then we're going to have the pictures on it arranged in the proper order, like it says on the back of the packaging. And the reason I'm choosing Velcro and not glue is because I want to be able to shuffle the pictures around, so you can like rearrange the pictures however you want. Just so that it's not stuck one way and it can be way more fun to do. So I'm going to cover the camera and then we're going to get around to it. Okay, so it's getting pretty dark out right now, and I'm getting a little scared here. Could be some kind of goblins. What's in this tree over here? Oh, okay. I'm just, I'm gonna go inside. That's fine. Okay, yeah, so this is the poster in all of its glory. You got 10 different postcards here that you can either mail out to your friends, or you can make a cool poster like I did. Yeah, you can get this at Universal Studios for about $10, and it comes in this packaging right here. So next time you go to Florida or California, or maybe even Japan, pick one of these up, because this makes a great decoration for any Jurassic fan's house. Okay, so now that we're finished with the poster, it's time to move on to the second project of this video, which is another repaint. Today, I'm going to be repainting this. It's a 12-inch line Spinosaurus. Coincidentally, I also got my hands on a Legacy Collection Spinosaurus, but I'm not going to repaint that because I only had the one, and they're really hard to come by. So, you know, went to Myers, picked this up for 10 bucks, and I'm going to repaint it to look like the Warpath Spinosaurus from Jurassic Park Warpath, obviously. If you've played Warpath, you should know that the Spinosaurus is surprisingly one of the smallest carnivores in the game, and it also sucks. It's like the worst dinosaur to play as. I've never won a match as Spinosaurus, but I still think its colors are cool. It's a pretty nice figure. Freaking weird tail. Clip that bad boy in there, and boom, you got yourself a little dork. Yeah. For this paint scheme, I'm going to be using white, I'm going to be using Tuscan red, I'm going to be using metallic black, and I'm going to be using pure orange once again. Ouch. Let's get it started! Well, that's going to do it for me today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this repaint and all the other crap that happened today. I'll have another video coming up this weekend, and it'll be an update on the fan film in June. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram to keep up to date with everything I'm doing. And I hope you all have a wonderful spring break. Peace!